So I have managed to sync the controller up. I had trouble, I didn't have the sync bracket underneath. So the sync bracket there had gone. So I could not sync the controller up. But looking on YouTube, if you put a screwdriver behind and then press the sync hard, it will actually sync up. It did take me several times to do this, and it just would not sync up. I took the top off and I found that the Wi-Fi card was not actually connected. Whether that had anything to do with it, I don't know, but that is now connected. All these screws were actually loose as well. So I'm now synced up. So I'm just going to try to reset the Xbox and see whether that fixes the problem of the green screen.
This is the Real Madrid lineup. Sergio Ramos plays with Pepe in central defence. Harry Benzema is the lone striker today. Ivan Rakitic. It's an easy interception, because the pass wasn't really a very thoughtful one. Sergio Busquets. Here's Messi in his wide areas where he's such a danger. That's hit the bar and he's still in play. Throwing for Barcelona.